Engage your core and ground through your palms. Feel your power building from within. Lift one leg and hold your balance. Feel your body align, strong, steady, unshaken. Rotate into side plank. Open your chest and reach upward. Find balance between strength and calm. Lift your chest, tighten your core, and breathe. This is where balance begins from within. With each pulse, feel your core ignite and your balance grow stronger. Twist gently, releasing any tension along your spine. Let your breath guide you. Inhale deeply, lifting through your hips. Exhale, lengthen and ground into the mat. Draw each knee in with purpose. Core strong, breath steady. Reach forward, lengthen, and find stability through your center. Hold steady. Feel your inner fire supporting every breath. Sway from side to side, feel your waistline strengthen and your balance deepen. Switch sides and balance your energy evenly across the body. Press through your feet and lift from your core. Let your strength rise with your breath. Exhale as you draw knee to elbow. Feel the fire in your center grow stronger. Inhale to open your heart. Exhale to round and release. Take a deep breath in. Exhale and surrender to stillness. Lift one leg high and hold. Stability grows when focus and breath unite. Switch legs with flow. Keep your core lifted and breath even. Let your knees fall gently side to side. Breathe and release your lower back. Use your breath and core to rise gracefully. Control every transition. Hug your knees in and breathe. Let the tension melt away with each exhale. Lift halfway, maintain your gaze forward, and breathe into the challenge. Take a deep breath in. Exhale and surrender to stillness. Switch sides and balance your energy evenly across the body. Inhale to open your heart. Exhale to round and release. Exhale as you draw knee to elbow. Feel the fire in your center grow stronger. Press through your feet and lift from your core. Let your strength rise with your breath. Hold steady here. Feel your core ignite and your breath guide the strength. Lift your heart, open your chest, and let energy flow freely. Rest deeply. Let go of effort and return to calm. Lift and open your heart. Strength and grace flow together. Find your grounding. Strengthen your stance and calm your gaze. Reach upward, lengthen your spine, and feel grounded through both feet. Step forward with grace. Ground your energy and rise with control. Lengthen through your sides. Inhale lightness, exhale stability. Let gravity take over. Surrender and feel calm flow through you. Stand tall, grounded and calm. Feel your balance restored. Root through your standing leg and rise tall. Find stillness and balance. Switch sides and breathe deeply. Balance is found through gentle patience. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, release. Flow gently with your breath. Return to stillness. Feel gratitude for your body, your effort, your breath. Namaste. Carry your balance and calm into the rest of your day.